Okay, we continue with our lesson, Chapter 6 review, and we are going to go with number 12. It says, write a unit rate for the following. The gas price is $15.60 for 12 gallons. So here's our problem right here. We have $15.60 for 12 gallons. We can do it either in several steps, or we can decide to do it in one step by itself. This one is done in a few steps to break it down and show the process. I divide by 2 and I will get $7.80 it would cost for 6 gallons. If I divide again by 2, I will get $3.90 for 3 gallons. And then if I divide by 3, I will get $1.30 is the cost for 1 gallon. Now if I wanted to eliminate all of those steps, I would simply divide by 12. So I would do $15.60 divided by 12, and I would get the same answer. Let's go to 13, which says, write a conversion factor and change 2.5 hours to minutes. The important thing to remember about this problem is that we want to use a conversion factor, which includes two different units that equal the same amount. So we want to multiply by a conversion factor that has two different units that equal the same amount. So I have 60 minutes, which equals 1 hour. If I multiply by 2.5, notice the hours cancel, and I get my answer of 150 minutes. Let's go to number 14. Number 14 says, define a variable, write a proportion, and solve. So when it says define a variable, this simply means that we should choose a variable. So in this case, the variable that was chosen was x. And you can see that we set the proportion up. We flew 1,680 miles in 4 hours. And we want to know how far we could fly in 9 hours. So the simple way to determine this is simply to cross multiply as indicated, which gives me 4x equals 15,120. And if I divide both sides by 4 to solve for x, I will get my answer, which is 3,780 miles. My next problem says 7 collector pins cost $59.50. And they want to know how much we would pay for 22 pins. So again, we can use any variable, it doesn't matter. In this case, we're going to use x again. So if I can purchase 7 pins for $59.50, I will use a proportion and have 22 pins. Notice it's across from 7 pins, and the x is on the bottom, which I want to solve for. So again, I will cross multiply, which gives me 7x equals 1,309. To solve for x, I simply divide both sides by 7, and I get my answer of x, which will be $187.